We finally have an in-depth look at the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, including detailed insights into its weight, thickness, and camera enhancements, particularly for video recording and satellite SOS capabilities. Let's explore what we know. Recently, Leaker on Leaks unveiled the full design of the S25 Ultra, revealing that it resembles the S24 Ultra quite closely, especially at the back, where the camera layout remains unchanged. This continuity isn't surprising, as Samsung seems to have reached a design limit with its camera setups. Unlike some competitors that use a camera island, Samsung maintains individual lens designs, which I personally prefer. It's refreshing that Samsung is not making unnecessary changes, such as adding a dedicated camera button, which would only distract from the overall aesthetic. Upon closer inspection, the camera ring design appears to echo that of the Z Flip series, but without the grooves. The S25 Ultra's edges are now flatter, similar to the S24 Plus, and the back retains a subtle curve, making it visually appealing. The corners have been chamfered, potentially enhancing comfort during use, though I find the boxier design of earlier models more appealing. One notable design change is the bezels. They are the thinnest ever on a smartphone, even slimmer than those on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Moving to the camera specifications, many reviewers have noted that while iPhones excel in video recording, the S25 Ultra aims to change that narrative. The video capabilities have been significantly enhanced, supported by software optimizations and a new image processor, alongside the existing 200-megapixel main sensor. The ultra-wide camera has also seen an upgrade from 12MP to 50MP, allowing for better cropping and improved macro shots, as well as 8K video recording. However, a disappointing aspect is the retention of the 10MP 3x telephoto lens from the S21 Ultra, which I had hoped would receive an upgrade. A higher resolution would have improved portrait detail and overall image quality at 3x zoom. On a positive note, the S25 Ultra is lighter, weighing in at 219g, a reduction from the S24 Ultra's 233g. It's also the thinnest S Ultra device to date, measuring just 8.2 mm thick. Despite the larger screen, thinner bezels contribute to a narrower form factor, enhancing its grip. Lastly, the S25 Ultra will support satellite communication, a feature initially planned for the S24 Ultra. This function, likely limited to emergency use without two-way communication, raises questions about potential similar offerings to Google's Pixel 9, which includes 2 years of free service. If you own the S24 Ultra, expect to receive the One UI 6.1.1 software update soon.